Autoflow lets you bulk generate images and videos on Google Flow. Start by importing your prompts from a text file. You can load hundreds at once. Add reference images for character consistency, then map them to specific scenes in your script. Each prompt can have its own reference. Just click Map to assign the right character to the right scene. Select which prompts to process, then hit Add to Queue. Click Start, and that's it. Autoflow takes over from here. It submits each prompt automatically, waits for generation, and tracks progress in real time. Once your images are done, head to the Gallery tab. From here, you can download at 1K, 2K, or 4K. Works for both images and videos. Hit Frame to Video, and you will be taken back to the main page. Choose Run on this page for best results, and the process kicks off automatically. In Settings, control how many videos or images generate per task, plus the layout, timing, and language. Just note, 2K and 4K downloads still wait for Google's upscaler to finish processing. Adjust the timing if 10 to 15 seconds feels too long. You can also enable auto-download for your images and videos at any resolution. Humanized mode simulates human typing. Turn it on if you are running into Google's "something went wrong" errors. The language settings supports 9 different languages out of the box. Now let us look at the formatting guide. This is how you structure your prompts so images convert directly into frame to video. No extra video prompt needed. Your workflow becomes as simple as opening the gallery and hitting frame to video. Just follow the triple pipe syntax. You can even ask any LLM to format it for you. And that is Autoflow, bulk generation, smart downloads, and full automation for Google Flow.